Student's book, page 56. 7. Okay, now where should I put the picnic table?
What if...
Student's book, page 56. 7. Listen and check. 1. Okay, now where should I put the picnic table?
Put it over there under that tree, please.
I can't do this. Should I help you put the blanket on the grass, Scott? Yes, please.
2. Later. Scott's cold and hungry. He wants to eat. Susie's hot and thirsty. She wants a drink. Grandpa Star is catching a big fat fish. He's very strong. Grandma Star's close to the cows in the field. She's very quiet. She's drawing a baby cow. It has thin legs and it's very weak. Sally isn't happy because her drawing's bad. Mr. Star's listening to the radio. His music is very loud. Oh yes, and finally Mrs. Star. She's sleeping because she's very tired.